Seeing Ibrahim alaihis salam in a dream. To see the Prophet Ibrahim alaihis salam, upon whom be peace, in a dream, is a good sign of wealth, blessings, glad tidings, devotion, long life, assiduousness, healing of the sick, noble goals, righteous progeny, commanding good and forbidding evil, discording bad company, compliance with the divine ruling, knowledge, guidance, success after failure and separation from one's family and kin to seek God's nearness and pleasure. In a dream, Ibrahim alaihis salam represents the element of compassion toward one's son and family, and sometimes he represents the element